Hey, beautiful babes. Hey, it's your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome in to Sugar Fingers. Oh, yeah. Today, y'all, we are going to talk about foot care. Yes. Why do we make it so difficult to do our feet at home? It shouldn't have to be that way, and it doesn't have to be that way because, yes, it can be very simple. We're going to make it simple today. Let me show you how. First, I want to say, keep your foot care items in a convenient location. Now, I'll tell you what, I duplicate everything. So, not only do I have foot care items in my beauty room, I also keep them in the bathroom. And you know why? Because if I'm in the beauty room and I have some downtime, I can go ahead and just do a quick fix to the feet. Yes, I can go ahead and buff them off. I can go ahead and moisturize them. I can go ahead and file or clip my toenails. That makes life easy. The other place that I keep foot care items are in my shower. Yes, I have my buffer or foot file. I also have my pet egg in there as well, and I also keep a moisturizing foot cream nearby. Yes, I do. Usually in the bathroom and also by my bedside. So that way, in case I miss doing that part in the shower or after my shower, I can take care of them when I get to bed. How about that? So I mentioned the pet egg. This is mine. It's bluish, turquoise, some color like that. But there are different colors to these, which doesn't matter. They all work the same. And I purchase these either from CVS or also I get them from Amazon most conveniently. That's where I usually will shop for my pet eggs at. And they're affordable. They last me quite a while. Now, you may spend about from $10 to $15 for them, but you will get several uses out of them. I mean, this has for me been the most easiest way to remove dead skin from the heels, from toes, under your feet. Very easy. I know this is not attractive and not what y'all really paying your money for to look at, but check this out, how easy this is to do. And all of the shavings go right into the little holder there, and all you do is pop it open and dump them right into the trash. What's great about the pet egg? Now, you can use this whether your feet are wet or dry. I do this also in the shower once my calluses are softened up. It's so easy to do. I love it also because of the design of it. I can grip it right in the palm of my hand, and it's going to leave your feet looking and feeling baby soft and smooth, just gently removing calluses and dead skin from the feet. Super easy, okay? And yes, the next place I love to shop is AVON. And yes, I am an AVON representative. I've been a lover of AVON all of my life. Honestly speaking, that's probably how long they've been around, all of my life for sure. But they have the best moisturizing creams and callus creams and great stuff for the feet, even antifungal sprays. Anything that you want to take care of your feet and make them pretty, this is the place to go. AVON. I will have my link below for you, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed in their products. Now, one of my favorite ones is the Intensive Callus Cream. This one I've had for a while. I did buy multiples when I got them because it was one of my favorites. They still make this one, but the packaging has changed. But this is so good. After I buff off my feet, I then cleanse them off and I use the Callus cream. You can put on socks, you can go to bed and let this work on your feet for soft, pretty feet the next day. Beautiful babes, that's all it takes. Just keep all of your foot care products nearby where you will be either just vegging out and say, oh, let me take care of my feet. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, right here on Sugar Fingers. I hope you enjoyed today's video and got some value out of it. If you did, in fact, please make sure you drop a like on the video and please let somebody know what's going on right here on Sugar Fingers. All you have to do is share it. Share the video. That's right. And please, by all means, keep those hands and feet looking gorgeous. I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.